So last week we were together. We visited a few organizations and had a lot of fun. I think we spent some time at Toyota, Summit Polymers, and GE. Always good to reflect on Toyota and to go back to Toyota. Is there anything that really stood out to you from that visit?
We're line side and visited with an associate, I think a guy named Keith. And he was explaining how as part of his development as an associate, he was being trained in problem solving. He was explaining to us what he's been working on. And he said that in his work area, he had found 152 problems to be solved, and that he'd been getting mentored by his team leader and the team leader by the group leader. And he was about 87 through the 152. So we're like, dude, 152 problems. I mean, like, how big is your work area? And he was like, well, it's my station here. And it's like, wait. How big is that? And he said, well, plus or minus 30 feet. Now think about this. 30 feet is 3 minutes of cycle time, more or less. So he'd found one problem per second in that area. And he was one guy.